Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can create Outlier AI account. So it's very easy and simple. First up, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and you need to search up Outlier AI and then just go to its website. Once you go to its website, what you need to do is just go ahead and press on login. And be sure that Outlier AI isn't available in all the regions and location. Just make sure that it's available in your region. So I'm just going to press continue with Google. So you can also put in your email or password. If you don't remember, just don't have an account, just press on continue with Google and use your Google account for it to basically log in, and then just press continue, and just simply gonna make your process way easier. So you just need to wait for a bit until it's done, and here you go. Now you have simply created your profile. Now you just need to press on create profile, and it's very easy steps. You just need to put in your name, and then how did you hear about it, and then your country, and then your state, and then after that you gotta verify your phone number, and then you gotta import your skills and verify identity. In the end, you just need to verify skills and you're good to go. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helps you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.